Another way of creating a list called list comprehensions. It is a little bit more advanced way of creating a list. List comprehension, it creates over a list, modifies each element, and returns a new list consisting of the modified elements. So the syntax is this. So you write for loop variable name again, and in is the operator, and iterable is the object, it's a container. Okay. So for every loop, it will execute this expression. Okay. So you can read it by yourself, but let me give you an example here. So here, forget about this part first. Look at this one. For a in range, so it is going to generate a sequence starting from 1 until 10. Okay, and during every iteration, it is going to perform this operation, a plus 1, and it will store it in a separate list. Okay, that is why it is enclosed in square brackets. Okay, so what do you think will be an output? So new list contain elements starting from, so we are creating a new list, which is name as new underscore list. Yep. So starting from what? Starting from 2, and then again all the way until 11, because the last element in the sequence is 10, and 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay? You can actually ask PyPal about list comprehension. So I ask this question, can I perform multiple operations like a equals 1, b equals 2, c equals 3 in list comprehension? You can also ask like how you can use it effectively. You can nest for loops. You can also have if-else instruction in the list comprehension. But it clearly tells that we cannot perform the assignment operation like this. A equals 1, b equals 2. We cannot do that. So you can create your own prompt to ask PyPal about whatever and however you want it to ask.